We are pleased to show you the 2022 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.